take me away from home. Show me all the places I've never known, and we'll chase the night, race all of these broken dreams in flight, and we'll fly.
Hello guys, my gingerbread and jelly bean. Welcome to the channel. Maybe the light is better this way, who knows, maybe, yeah, maybe this way. Hey guys, thanks for tuning in. So I have a Sondors fold bicycle. It's right here. The brakes has worn out on it, and I'm basically fixing the brakes on it. I'm videoing from a GoPro right now, so I'm just going to take you guys through the steps. I've just installed the first brakes. This is the front brakes, so I'm going to replace the back brakes as well. So I've gone ahead and put in the front brakes. I already would even taken out the camera. I forgot to vlog this. So if persons have a Sondors bicycle and your brakes worn out, you're hearing it rubbing, like making funny noises, your brakes not holding properly, that means you need a new brake shoe. Going on Sondors to get that brake pad or brake shoe, whatever it is, you won't really find it on there, and you'll be confused and they don't know which brand to get. So I've gone ahead, did my research, found which brand to get and which one to use, and here I am right now. Let me drop off the camera. Here I am right now. Woo. Sorry guys, here I'm right now doing it myself. So I ordered this. These are very cheap on Amazon. I got these. I'm going to show you what my brake pad look like. Now you guys will see for yourself the comparison with my old brake shoe to the new one. Alright guys, so pay attention to my old brake shoe. So this is what it looks like, right? So this is the old one. This one right here, this is the old one. So you can see the level that's on it. This is rubbed out completely. Alright guys, rubbed out completely. This one, guys, look at this. This is gone, completely gone. This is a piece of iron. So all the material on it, it is gone. So this has rubbed out. I have it for 1 year now, right? And I ride every day. This is the next piece. It comes with this as well. So you see, a part of this is gone. So this is a new brake pad, and this is the brand that Sondors use. There's my address and everything in that. This is the brand that Sondors use. You can see it on the brake. So it's basically Tektro or Tektro. You'll see it on your Sondors. You'll see it on your Sondors brake. So that's the one they use. So that's what you need to type in: brake pad. Tektro brake pad. Right guys, so here you go. So this is how it's supposed to look, right? It's supposed to be at least couple millimeters. So you see, these are the brand new ones, these are the old ones. So I'm about to finish the front one. I just put in the new ones. They're green, so you can see right there. There you go, the level that's on there now, and it's been installed. I installed it myself. Save a lot of money and time, and save lives. Brake saves lives. So I'm going to install that back on my Sondors bicycle. I'm going to do the next one as well, which is the back brakes. Very important as well. So ensure you have a tool pan, ensure you have a tool set and everything that you need. It's simple to do. Once you know how to do like simple stuff, it's so easy to do. So I'm about to put on the front brakes and let you guys just see. So I'm just gonna set the camera right there and just finish rolling on. So ensure that you adjust your thing there properly. Ensure that you adjust the brakes properly, so it's over it. And yeah, and install it. Let me carry the camera off. So you guys can see, if you guys can see at least. So this was giving me issue. I never knew what it was, and it's hard to just go on the internet and just get the information. So I went on YouTube and found the right information, the right brake pad, and how it should be done on YouTube. So I'm going to post this one for Sondors bicycle specifically. So I guess any Sondors bicycle, you can just simply replace your brake pad after wear and tear. Once it's squeaking, you can, you know, go ahead and repair it yourself without taking it to a shop so they can charge your arm and a leg. You can do it yourself. So ensure that you have your tools, your 5mm tool, so you thread everything together. Ensure that your brakes is tight. Ensure that it's locked in tightly. These, you know, stuff have to be done tightly. It's a little wear and tear right there. Now for my brake caliper, I'm going to loosen this a little bit. So my string, this right here is, it's not the original, it's not the so I'm adjusting my brakes. So it's not the original one, but I just use what I have. The brake cable I'm talking, it's not the original brake cable. Oh, this is snug, guys. This is snug, tight. This is snug tightly onto the frame. Snugged very tightly onto it. So hopefully it doesn't make any sound when riding. Yeah, hopefully it doesn't make any sound when riding. So I just installed that one. So it's actually raining. It's actually raining outside right now. So yeah, I'm gonna do this one real quick so you guys can get to see. I'm going to pretty much loosen the brakes. These are tight. They haven't come off in a while. So I'm taking off the brakes itself, because the thing is, it's already on the the crank, the brake, the axle. That's the axle, whatever it is, whatever that thing is that the brakes is on. Just take out the screws, screw out the screws, just like that, guys. Screw out the screws and voila. Oh. This is snug down tightly, or tighten it to the point where tighten it to the point where it's so tight that it's not snug enough. So there you go, guys. I tighten it so much that it snugged down so tight, and this is all dirt and soot inside it. So took it off, have the screws there. So as you can see, the brake, see, it's rubbed out. So I'm gonna take that off and show you guys. The camera is so messed up right now. I'm gonna loosen the back brake cable. It's going to be giving me hell now just to do. It's going to give me hell now to put on back, guys, but bear with me. I don't want to lose all my cables. So this little part here, guys, if your bicycle is like this, which it will be, this little part here, this pin, you have to pull this little lever here. This where my hand is, you have to pull that straight forward so you can pull out the pin, so you can get access to the thing there. How? I'm going to do it right now for you guys to see. So this little pin here, I'm gonna straighten it. Sorry. So this little pin. You see? Yeah, this little pin right here, I'm straightening that little pin to ensure that it's straight. Once that little pin is straight, guys, you can see, no, so the pin right here, that's straight. So I'm saying, guys, and now I'm going to pull it out to get to the brake. See this pin right there, see the pin movement. Once you pull that pin out, this pin, the brake will come clean off. So you push it out, so you see, pushing it out. There you go, guys. Snug. And voila.